friend of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction on this device. Firstly, just access settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose additional settings. From here, click on languages and input, manage keywords and keyboard. Over here, tap on text correction, scroll down just a bit and select this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!